What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna work on the exhaust that I got, the YONAKA exhaust. As you can tell, I already got the car jacked up. I did receive the new exhaust hangers from HondaPartsNow.com. That's the place I use. So now that I got the car jacked up, all I have to do is take the little mid pipe off and we'll get going on this. Alright, so far I've got the back section up. I got brand new exhaust hangers, as I told you in the last clip. So basically what I had to do is I need to get underneath the car, and there's two 13mm bolts right there. So I'm going to take those out, and then I'm going to continue taking the old exhaust off, because all it's held on by is just one hanger. As you can tell, it got cut off back there. So I'm going to continue this. Alright, so I got the whole exhaust hooked back up. You probably won't be able to tell in here, but the two front bolts are in, the gasket up there, and I even hooked my battery up, and I just ran the wires just for now. But so I love how this thing looks. It's very sturdy. So let's start this thing up, see what it sounds like. And by the way, my interior's not done yet, but I'm working on that. So, fuel pump, that's good. It doesn't sound like there's any exhaust leaks. It just sounds idles are high because I don't have an intake on it right now. But I'm gonna see if there's any exhaust leaks just to make sure. Alright, I think we're good. Let me take one more place. Oh, we're good. We are good. So I still have to clean all this up, and I gotta get it painted and everything, but the exhaust, it sounds good. Now let's give it a little rev. So quiet. Love it. But yeah, I know in the last video I really didn't go too crazy with, you know, the unboxing of what it is, but the welds on it, honestly, for what I paid for it, it's a great exhaust. If you're looking for something cheap, something you can just, you know, not be so like Honda, like ricey, like droney exhaust. This exhaust, it's got a nice little like rumble to it, so it's actually not too bad. So, alright, so let me hang my key up. Alright, but yeah, so I know it wasn't really an install video. Most of you guys should know or have done an exhaust before, so it's not really that complicated. It's basically the two bolts up front. Take those out. It's got like the springs and everything. Most of the time they just break. Luckily mine didn't, so that's good for me. And then the mid pipe, it connects to the axle back where it makes the little S by the gas tank, and there's 2 gaskets there and 2 14 or 15 millimeter bolts. And honestly, on my last Civic, I'll link it up in the description or in one of these corners up there or there. I had the Tanabe exhaust. Honestly, I love that exhaust. I wish I never sold the car with it on there, just because that was a really quiet exhaust. So enough of me rambling on. Hopefully you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.